Hello everyone and welcome to this Biology Mind A-level tutorial on the phospholipid bilayer. So, in this tutorial we're going to have a look at two key learning objectives. Number one, what phospholipids are doing in the cell membrane, and number two, the formation of this phospholipid bilayer. So let's crack on. So in terms of the functions of the phospholipids are the core structural component of cell membranes. So, as both prokaryotes and eukaryotes have cell membranes, phospholipids are necessary molecules in both types of organisms. So just to recap what a phospholipid actually is, this single unit here is our phospholipid. And the fact that it forms these two layers in the cell membrane means that we call it a phospholipid bilayer. So I'll just write that down. Phospholipid bilayer. So you can pause the video at this point and you can have a think about how you would label all of these. Now I think I've given one of them away accidentally, so I've made your job a little bit easier. But if you just give the video a pause and have a think about what each of these components are, and I will come on to it in a few seconds. Okay, so let's reveal the answers. So this is the bit that I gave away. This is our phospholipid bilayer. This is our hydrophobic tail. This is our hydrophilic head. Now, let's just think about these words. So hydrophilic comes from the Greek hydro for water and philic for love, so water-loving head. Hydrophobic comes from the Greek hydro for water and phobic for hate, so water-hating tail. So the tails hide on the inside of the bilayer, away from the water-containing extracellular fluid and the cytoplasm, whereas the hydrophilic water-loving heads face outwards into the water-containing substances. So cells have this aqueous solution, as I said, the extracellular fluid outside the cell and the cytoplasm inside the cell. And as I've just said, the hydrophilic heads are facing the extracellular fluid on the outside and the cytoplasm on the inside. And those hydrophobic tails are nice and folded within the membrane, protected from the water. And overall, this forms our phospholipid bilayer structure. So in the formation of this phospholipid in water, a hydrophobic barrier is formed in the centre due to the fatty acid tails pointing inwards. So because these hydrophobic tails are on the inside, it forms this nice hydrophobic barrier. So that's our lesson complete for today. So well done for following through till the end, and I will see you for the next tutorial.